Okay, the recording process is running. A very good morning, my dear students. It's time to learn of class 8. The subject is computer science. And I would like to tell you one more time, those students who have no books, they need to concentrate in the screen that I'm going to share you. Okay, so of course, this is the screen that I have already shared in your screen over there. And today we are going to learn about the concept of different types of contribution, different types of inventions. It means the history, and you can tell the development of the computer. Okay, so for the base of instructions that you know already, every learners they have different types of idea, they have different types of knowledge about the different types of inventions. No matter it's a different types of invention means that you know already. In our last classes we have already discussed about the mechanical era, electromechanical era, and the electronic era. About the related class we have already discussions. Today we are going to discuss about the okay, today we are going to discuss about the uh, related concept of the different types of contribution that has been it has been prepared here. Okay, in the screen, let me tell you in the screen I have already tell you in our last classes in history of computer. It means the step by step development of computer that has provided by a very it means that you can say a type of very logical concept idea, a type of very good techniques method has been contributed by the different types of inventions, and all these inventions are known as the history of computer that you know already. Okay, so we have in our last classes we have already discussed, and so we have it has been written here, the historical development of computer can be categorized in three distinction era that you know already. Three distinction era means electromechanical era, mechanical era, and the electronic era. In this electromechanical era, electronic era, and the electromechanical era, there are different types of inventions that we have already discussed in our last classes. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of our related subject matter about the Charles Babbage and father of computer. Then we will talk the another more thing. Okay. So before starting the class, I would like to request you, if you are doing such types of sketching over in screen, I will block you. Be careful. Okay. So it has been written here about the different types of logical things, about the different types of concept, idea, and techniques that has been provided by different types of researchers, different types of scientists. So it's all are the major things which is written in your book. And for your kind information that we know already, every inventions there is a certain desired things it has been included. It means such types of logic, some types of idea, that logic we are using now these days. And in 21st century, all these types of concept has been included in the same mechanical, electromechanical, and the electronic era related devices or computer. So let's discuss about the how it does how does it response the computer is basically about the generation, about the different types of inventions. Charles Babbage best was the best, and he is the father of computer. How can you know that it has been written in your book also, and that you know already. Actually, I'd like to tell you, Charles Babbage was a good professor, was a good mathematician professor of Cambridge University of London. And for your kind information, he developed an analytical engine 1833 and next one is difference engine in 1822. That two type of contribution, it is the best tool and techniques. It is the best device that has been that has been contributed by Charles Babbage. Actually, why the Charles Babbage called father of computer science is because that concept has included storage and the related different types of calculations very fastly. Analytical engine and difference engine, the best engine of that moment of that period, which can easily calculate the arithmetical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, uh, etc. Everything. And for your kind information, I would like to tell you, Charles Babbage born in 1791 AD in United Kingdom. He was the professor of mathematician at Cambridge University, as well as creative thinkers of 19th century. Creative thinkers that you know already, just like you, we all are learners. If we think very seriously, I think no one problems will not solve with us. So it's very important. Every researchers, every contribution, those who has provided to our computer world, basically all these inventors are provided such types of good techniques, the idea for the development stage. That's because it is the logically we can say it is the history of the computer. In the history, there are different types of related concept. Okay, so it has been written here. He invented analytical and difference engine, the concept of input, process, output, and storage was gifted by him. For your kind information, I would like to remember you one more time. Now, these days in our computer, we can store many more data, many more files for our future planning, for our future purpose. We can utilize how it is possible because of the concept of the Charles Babbage. Because Charles Babbage has contributed some types of storage concept also. It has been given here. The concept of input, process, output, and storage was gifted by him. So Charles Babbage is known as the father of modern computer. And in the concept of related Charles Babbage's contribution, one of the major role that you know already, Lady Augusta and Ada Lovelace was a good students of Charles Babbage, which has a very critical moment. They will she will provide to the Babbage. It has been written here. Ada Lovelace was the student of Charles Babbage at Cambridge University, as well as daughter of great English poet Lord Byrd. Lord Byrd, she gave the idea of using binary number system to Charles Babbage in his analytical engine. Therefore, she is considered as the first programmer in the computer history. Actually, how the Lady Augusta and Ada Lovelace, the first programmer, will develop? What type of program she will develop for the analytical engine and the other related engine? How it does work? Basically, I would like to remember you one more time. Lady Augusta is one of the best thinkers, creative thinkers that you can say, just like a Charles Babbage. She is also a very talent thinkers. She thought and contribute such types of good logic about the number systems. Basically, binary number system 0 to 0 and 1. That type of concept, it has been written here. She gave the idea of using binary number system to Charles Babbage in his analytical engine. And this is the concept. All the related types of device has been recovered the same activity, recovered the same techniques and idea. Therefore, she considered as the first programmer in the computer history that you can say. Okay. The next one. It has been written here. Okay, we have to discuss about the other related thing. So we need to wait. Uh, okay, this is the picture that you can imagine how the first what is the concept of the first computer in Nepal? Why the Nepal, our government optimize such types of related first computer in Nepal? Why? It has been written here about the history that we need to discuss here. Actually, in our country, there is no any remarkable contribution that you can say. There is no remarkable contribution for Nepal for the development of computer. But Nepal has lately entered in the computer age. Lately entered, it means our government of our government, it means our country is also involved for the contribution. They our country can use different types of related computer for the different purposes that it has been written in your books too. It has been written here that you know already in our screen. It has been written here IBM 1401. What is called IBM 1401? Let me tell you, my dear student, IBM is the name of the computer, International Business Machine. For your kind information, I would like to remember you, International Business Machine is the name of computer, which computer, which computer is basically it's a second generation computer. It's a second generation computer that you know already. Okay, so IBM is the name of the company which has manufactured IBM 1401 model of the computer, and it is the best it is the best and good computer till that moment. IBM 1401, of course, is a second generation computer manufactured by International Business Machine of USA. In our country, it has been written here, brought in 1971 AD, 2028 BS. What is the 2028 BS? I have already tell you, there is no any remarkable contribution for Nepal for the development of computer. But why our country will use such types of related computer that you know already in the history? It has been written here IBM 1401 computer, of course, is a second generation computer. That computer can utilize from our government to count the number of people who is living in our country till that moment. In the census of 2028 BS that you can say, in census of 2028 BS, our country our country utilize IBM 1401. It means International Business Machine 1401 model computer for the census of 2028 BS for the census counting. It has been written here, rent rate 1,25,000 RS per month. It is basically not purchased by the government, but the government has hired it means the rent that you can say hired the machine from the related work that you know already. It has been written here, this computer completed the census of 2028 BS in 1 year 7 months. IBM 1401 computer is a second generation computer. It has been hired from the international related country that you know already. It has been written here, this computer completed the census of 2028 BS in 1 year 7 months. In 31 years, His Majesty government established a separate branch named Data Processing Center. It's all types of related things. It has been written in our books too. It has been written here. Brought in 1971 AD for the purpose of census counting. Rent one lakh 25,000 Rs per month. Time taken 1.7 years. It means when our government will utilize this computer IBM 1401, then it will take long time. It means 1.7 years. It's very long time to count how many people are living in our country. It has been recorded by the help of the computer, and it is the first history of computer in our Nepal. That our Nepal, our country utilize. Okay, the next picture, it has been written here. The National Computer Training Center NCC. What is called what is the perfect meaning National Computer Training Center? It has been written here NCC, National Computer Training Center. National Computer Training Center, that you know already. Our government established a separate branch named Data Processing Center also later on. Later on, it has been written, it has been written in our books too. Data Processing Center for the Electronic Data Processing purpose. Later in 2037 BS, it was named in National Computer Center. So National Computer Center is the place, from that place, our related manpower who is working to the field of the census in 2020 2020 2037 BS. Yeah, of course, 2037 BS, they can utilize to share the related idea techniques how the IBM 1401 computer work for the census. Basically, for the training purpose, that we can say, for the training purpose, our government has established such types of related organization, the National Computer Training Center. By the help of the National Computer Training Center, our Nepalese people who is interested to learn about the computer performances, how it does work, it means about the related knowledge of the software, the training center will provide the guideline about the functionality of the computer science. Okay, so it is the history that has been written in our books too. One more time, I would like to remember one more time, my dear student. IBM 1401. Let me tell you, IBM 1401 or second generation computer has utilized in 20 2028 BS विक्रम संवत 2028 विक्रम संवत 2028. It means the for the census of 2028 BS, IBM 1401 utilized to count, to find out the total civilians of our country, and it has been taken very long period, 1.7 years. The next one is, let me tell you, my dear student, the next one is ICL 2950/10. One more time, ICL 2950/10 is also the it's a fourth generation computer that you know already. ICL 2950/10 is a fourth generation mainframe computer, was brought from the United Kingdom for the census of 2038 BS. For your kind information, I would like to tell you one more time, my dear student, our government, we have the history. We have history. In the history, it has been written, it has been written in our books too. In first time, in our country, in first time, 2028 BS, IBM 1401 computer utilized for the counting of our census. Okay, and the next one is the second census has been counted by the another computer. That computer is known as ICL 2950/10. ICL 2950 is the fourth generation computer, and IBM 1401 is the second generation computer that can utilize from our government, from our country, to find the different types of calculation of the census report. How many civilians are here in Nepal till that period? With the support of IBM 1401, ICL 29501/10, our government will deduct, our government will filter. We have at least related types of civilians are available. So it's all are the related to the history of computer in Nepal. Meanwhile, that you can say government has formed high level commission for information technology HLCIT under the chairmanship of Prime Minister. Later on, it has been written here ICL 2950/10 was brought from United Kingdom for the census of 2038 BS with the aid of UNDP and UNFPA. This is the name of the organization. That organization will help us to survive such types of techniques idea to our country first time in 2038 BS. This machine processed the census quite faster after after 2039 BS. Microcomputers such as Apple, Vector, Ceres, IBM, etc. were imported in Nepal private companies. Basically, it is the concept, that concept has been written in our book. All this concept has identified, excuse me,
What food?
don't discuss over there, please. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, my dear friend, of course, it's a related types of concept that has been written in our books too. I have already tell you ICL 2950/10 of fourth generation computer, IBM 1401 computer is a second generation computer. Both computer were used to find out the total civilians of Nepal for the census of counting that you know already. Okay, so in the related history of related history computer in Nepal that you know already, every types of related concept it has been written in a book, in our books too. It has been written in our book. In the government has formed high level commission for information technology HLCIT, high level commission for information technology, under the chairmanship of Prime Minister. And the information technology policy was also formulated in 2057 and reviewed in 2067 later. To legalize the electronic transaction and control the cyber crimes, government of Nepal also released cyber law in 2061 BS and reviewed in 2063 BS. The private level organization are also playing key role for the development ICT in the country. ICT that you know already, information and computer technology. Okay, information and computer technology is the concept that has been written in our book, how our country will utilize such types of techniques idea by the help of the computer for the census of 2028 BS, for the census of 2038 BS. These all are the given concept that has been printed in our book, and these all are known as the history of computer in Nepal. Okay, so okay, so I would like to remember you one more time. One more thing, in our country, there is basically all these types of concept has been all these types of concept has been included by the support of the government, and These types of related concept has been required from the different types of related work. Okay. So the next thing, I would like to remember you one more time. The next thing, there is the question that we need to ask with you, and today, of course, I would like to remember you. I would like to request you, all the students, please please show me your video because I have to talk you also. Okay, today. Excuse me, please show me your video. I have to talk you also. I have to talk. Okay, thank you. Okay, so there is no name. What is your name? Huh?
Robita.
Ravi. Ravi. Uh, hello, Ravi. Are you getting me? Okay. So, Ravi, is there any problem of the related concept of this chapter?
No, sir.
You have book or not?
I have.
Okay. So, I think you all are not a kids. Okay. You all are the very genius students. You all are the that smart. You have the smartness. You are the smarter thinkers that I can say you. So that's because you can utilize the good and confidence knowledge about the concept of the computer. Okay. Next one is Sonia Jaswal. Sonia Jaswal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sonia, is there any problem?
Yes. No, sir.
Okay, so do you have book or not?
Yes, sir.
You have?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Rahul Yadav,
Yes, sir.
good. You have also book. And the next, what is the name of this students? It has been not written in your identification. Ria Rauniar, are you getting me? Ria Rauniar, are you getting me? Hello, Ria. Okay. So I think we have already okay, we have already completed this second chapter, and I would like to tell you, my dear students, everything is depend on your habits that you know already. Your habits means if you have developed the good learning, good concept of idea, then it will help to improve our educational related activity also. So,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, please tell me, Rahul.
Sir, who developed? Yes, sir. Who developed IBM PC, sir?
IBM PC.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me tell you, IBM PC. It means IBM means that you know International Business Machine Personal Computer, right? But basically, IBM is the
Yes, sir.
name. Okay, IBM is the name of the company who developed that we cannot exactly say because IBM is the name of the company International Business Machine, and it is
Yes,
established
sir.
from the USA. Bill Gates, that
Yes, sir.
you know the Bill Gates.
Yes, sir.
Yes, on Bill Gates have own type of manufacture company. Those company has
Yes.
established many more model of IBM related computer or desktop. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
we can say from the related types of international business machine related type models of computer has been developed with the help of the
Sir.
hello. Are you
Yes, sir.
getting me? Okay, okay. So it has been written here in our books too. International Business Machine 1401. It means it's all are the model. That model
Yes,
has
sir.
that model has developed from the USA, and the organization of Bill Gates, that you can say. The name of the company is IBM. IBM Macintosh is the name of the company, and that company has developed many more models of IBM Macintosh like desktop or laptop. Okay, are you getting me? Hello? Excuse me, hello?
sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, without wasting of our time, I would like to share you one more thing. In our last classes, we have discussions many more related things about the concept of the history, about the concept of different types of related logical concept or different types of contribution, different types of researcher who provided who provided a good techniques and idea for the development of the computer science that you know already. Okay, so today we have only 6 minutes left, so I would like to tell you, my dear students, these types of concept that you know already. Actually, I'm very sad to know all the students of class 8 has not here, and I would request you many more time also. I will share the video in YouTube. I will share the link in your Facebook also. May only 30 to 35 students will watch the YouTube channel. I would like to show you in a screen also. Let me show you. It is the screen that we can say. I have already shared to you. It is the screen. In our screen there is the net is a little bit slow. So wait. Okay, so this is the screen that I have already shared you. Okay, in the YouTube I have already posted such types of video. Okay, such types of
The
video
channel link.
I have already posted here. All the video it has been posted here. Okay, all the video it has been posted here, and from class 8 we have only how many? We have only here 32 views. Sorry, 17 views. There is the 47 views only. So I would like to request you all, my dear friend, please, if I will send the if I will send the link in your messenger, please forward to other student who is related to our school. No need to share about to the other students. You just share with your friend who is uh, reading in our school. Okay, so it's all are the related types of video I have uploaded in my YouTube channel also. So you need to subscribe. If you can if you can subscribe
Subscribe.
and hit the bell icon, then when we prepare another video, it will uploaded, it will filtered
Notification.
automatically in your location. So it's very easy thing. Okay, so without wasting of our time, I would like to tell you, my dear students of class 8, you all are mostly welcome, and that you know already it's a very that you know already it's a time to utilize carefully for our personal health, because of the infections that you know already everywhere in the Rauhat. Such types of infections are going to increase day by day, and of course our school has started as soon as possible, I think, right? So it's a time to grow of our immunity power, and we need to survive a good thing for our personal health. This is the best major thing that we need to uh, utilize. And my dear student, of course, by upcoming day, this type of concept will be utilized, and next chapter about the generation of computer we will discuss in our next classes. So I would like to request you all, my dear student, please, when I will share the link to in your messenger, please send to the other students, those who are not appear in online. So thank you all. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.